We came from the beginning, I think 2009, 2010. Puchi and Tamba, they got together and it was about how to retain this whakaaro, about retaining those old waiata. She maintained the kōrero over 55, pre-1970. Taikura is the only time when kaumata kuikuia, the 55 over, can come together. And I think that's an important point that some people forget. They think it's all about the kapa, but it's not. It's about that age group that they've still got it in them and they've got those old waiata that allows them to bring it out and to be there. You don't have to be the loudest, but definitely the proudest. And that's what you'll see on that stage out there. So that's how Taikura came about, was to retain the memory of those composers of old and to retain their waiata. So when we come on stage, we bring the older waiata of Kingi. So they're all pre-70. We know that Matu wrote his waiata to share with people. So that's why we put the kapu up on the screen. We want people to see the words, not just hear them. And so we put them up there. We invite people to take a photo of it. We change our program year to year. So next year when we come down, we'll bring our old favourites and we'll get the crowd up with us. So one year we bring waiata, and then the next year we bring our signature songs to share with. So we're not just performing it, we're standing up there doing the actions and saying, join us. It is, the competitiveness is not between the rōpū, it's you yourself being able to get up there and perform and go through it. It's only 15 minutes, but boy, it's hard work. It is hard work. So I admire all those. We've got some 85, 90-year-olds who are standing on the stage. Love it. Love it. That's the whakaaro that I would like to keep going.